everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making a Fruit of the Spirit shirt. I wanted to make something meaningful and positive to share, so I decided to make a shirt on the Fruit of the Spirit verse, Galatians 5:22 and 23. I'm a Christian, and as Christians, we should be sharing these attributes to everyone. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. I'm so excited. I love the way it came out. I've been wanting to use my Cricut to make a project with fabric, so this was so perfect and it was so fun to make. So this project is available on the Cricut design space, so if you make it, tag me because I'd love to see your project, the way yours came out and which fabrics you decided to use. So let's get started. To get started, you'll need any kind of shirt, but for this video, I'm making my own shirt. I've always wanted a mini easy press, so thank you to Cricut for sending it to me and sponsoring this video. The link for the project is in the description box. You can change and rearrange the fruit. Just make sure when you're ready to print, you're turning the mirror on and selecting cotton bonded. To make the fabric appliques for the fruit, you'll need a bunch of scrap fabric. I work at a sewing studio and these are all fabric scraps from the children's projects, so it'll be super cute when the children recognize the prints. Now I'm ironing on the heat and bond to the fabric scraps. Since this fabric has an iron-on backing, I'll be using the bonded fabric blade. Now I'm placing all the fabric pieces on the fabric grip mat for the Cricut to cut out all the fruit. For the words, I'm using an iron-on vinyl. I'm using medium pressure for each section for 25 seconds. This part is always the most satisfying, and let me tell you, that easy mini press works like a champ. Now for the fun part, removing the paper backing and ironing on the fruits. There's no particular fruit associated with the fruit of the Spirit in the Bible, so the fruits is just for fun, but after doing the grape applique, it required a lot of patience with those tiny pieces. I ironed on each fruit for about 6 seconds. You can totally do this project without sewing, but I thought it would be a cute touch for the banana tips to be sewn. Now I just have to sew the front and back together at the shoulders and the side seams. And now for the finishing touches, like hemming the shirt and then the neck hole and the armholes. For the neck and the armholes, I'll be using bias tape to finish it up. The shirt came out super cute and I can't wait to wear it out. I hope you enjoyed the project. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you like to see more videos. Thank you for watching.